So how does Facebook know what I'm doing when I'm not even using their app or browsing on their website? Did you know you let Facebook know what you're doing and you allow it to happen? I'm Tim Love, and this is Love on Tech. I do product reviews and guides, tips and tricks, as well as security-related videos. If you find this stuff interesting, please consider subscribing. So let's check out what Facebook already knows about you and which apps and websites are contributing to all of that data. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to open up the Facebook app, and we're going to go into the menu, which is in the lower right-hand corner here. We're going to click on Settings and Privacy, and then Settings, and then your Facebook, under the section Your Facebook Information, look for Off Facebook Activity. Selecting Manage Your Off-Book Facebook Activity, you will see your summary. I will show you mine. Whoa, there are 976 apps and websites that are sharing my activity with Facebook. 976. How are there so many, and how does Facebook get your data? There are many tools that Facebook provides to businesses, which I'm not going to discuss here, but one of the biggest is obviously Facebook Login. It makes it easy for you to create an account on other sites, but it also gives Facebook the ability to track some of your activity. You can learn more by clicking this button. You can clear your history here, but that's only the first step. This just removes your history. It does not stop Facebook from collecting more information on you in the future. So let's go here and select more options. You want to see your Facebook activity on Facebook, what you search for, your primary location, what posts that you've liked or reacted to, who sent you friend requests, people that you've removed. All of that information is right here. Just select Access Your Information. Selecting more options and then Manage Future Activity. Basically, Facebook does not want you to turn this off. This is how they customize their ads to you and how they make money, based on your activity on and off Facebook. By turning this off, they can only use your Facebook activity to present ads to you. Select Manage Future Activity again, and then toggle off off Facebook activity. Done. Remember, if you are not paying for the product, then you are the product. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please consider liking the video and subscribing so you can see more like it. Until next time.